Tonight, I actually successfully used this Canon 110 HS camera to take photos of Jupiter and Saturn through my 4.5-inch reflecting telescope. Hey, I'm Howard from Crazy Tech. Tonight I'm going to do a little more Crazy Tech. I'm going to try to photograph Jupiter or Saturn or both through this 4.5-inch reflector telescope. It's like a 45-year-old telescope. It works, and I'm going to try to photograph it with my Canon 110 HS 16.1 megapixel camera, which is what I'm using now. And there's that Canon camera. It's really a great camera. I've been using it for my blogging. By the way, if you like Crazy Tech and Puppets, please subscribe. The subscribe button is right over there. Well, tonight I successfully took photos of Jupiter and Saturn with this, my Canon PowerShot Elph 110 HS camera. And believe it or not, I've got some decent photos. Little tiny pictures of the two planets, but it worked. And this was the telescope. It's a 4-inch reflector, and actually I didn't mount the camera to the eyepiece. I just held it there and got it to work. Unbelievable, but yeah, I did it. Just wanted to test to see if you could get a point and shoot camera to take astrophotography. It's not very sophisticated, but it is astrophotography. I did a 2-second exposure, and I got something, and you can see the difference between Saturn and Jupiter. Jupiter's a lot bigger. Saturn is like oval